What's going on, Yak Pack? Back at it again. Another beautiful Colorado day. Today we're out here on the Arkansas River. We found this nice little spillway. We've never fished this spot before, so this is all new to us. We're hoping to catch some trout, maybe something else. You never know what we might get into, but we're mainly thinking we're gonna catch some trout. So stay tuned and see if we get anything. Seem like there's too many fish in here. Ooh, minge. Fish on. Fish. Oh. Oh. Hey, I just had a fish. Uh-huh. Nice looking rainbow, dude. Uh-huh. He was barely hooked. He barely bit it. Yeah. Oh, dude, that was a nice fish. He was so pink, like he had like the pinkest stripe down his side. He was barely hooked. Like I was fishing near the rocks, so I couldn't really reel that well. And he bit my lure while it was kind of just like floating in the water. And I didn't set the hook very well, and I had to drag him over rocks. And so when I tried to drag him over the rocks, he got off. Fish confirmed though. They're here. Journey on down yonder. There's this current right here. So we can get to that. Out getting wet. Ooh. Ooh. This looks alright. Let's see if we can get one right here. Ooh, got a bite. Got a bite, guys. There's fishes here. Let's see if I can get one bigger. Oh yeah, they're in here. I'm gonna get them. How does it feel? Got one. Oh. Oh yeah. Alright guys. Little baby rainbow. Oh. Nice. Oh, beautiful little rainbow. We ate it. We ate it big time. under that rock. Yeah, first fish of the day. We're not skunked. Yeah, he's in there. Yes, little victory deer. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Did he fall in? Yeah, boy! Fish on! Not in this section. I say we walk that bridge and go to the other side. Either down past the bridge or across. I just saw a fish jump. It's a little guy, but they're jumping. Be cool to catch fish right here. Yeah.
Recording on it, you know.
I seen one jump. I know they're here. Ooh, I had a bite. That was a good bite.
Three hours later.
All right, Yak Pack. Back at it again. Arkansas River. First spot was a bust, so this is our second, third, fourth location. I don't know. We only caught one fish so far, but here we go, round two. Nice juicy patch of river. See if we can catch some fish.
This is cool.
Nice section of river, but I don't see no fish jumping. Super deep water. We gotta go to this water down here below these rapids. That looks juicy. Ooh, I saw something. Saw something little. This is juicy. Got him. Yeah. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Oh, my goodness. Look at that guy. Yes. How about that, dude? Oh. Yes. Look at that fish, guys. Woo. Should we release him in that pool over there? He's still right there under the rapids. Yeah, fish on! Changing spots always a good thing. How about that, bro? That was a good one, dude.
That was good. See? I told you we needed to move on. I just knew it.
That was a good trout. That's what we came here for. Biggins. Really? That was dope. I knew they'd be in there. They love it in these areas. Yes, that was a good trout, dude. That felt like the first one that got away. Looked like him too. Colorful. Got another. Oh, he's biggin' too.
Hey, you want to use the net?
Here.
Net it.
Yes. Might even be, oh no, he ain't the same. He's even fatter than the last. Holy cow, dude. These guys are hungry. Come on, baby. Dude. Yes. Yak pack. Look at these nice trout we have out here in Colorado. Monsters. Yes. I should take one home for the moms who've been begging me. I don't even want to eat these guys though, they're too beautiful.
I agree.